We care about the clients, we care about who we're serving, and we're always looking for ways to get better. Always making sure that we're able to make our clients happy while doing what's right. I'm Joe Hellman. I'm our Transaction Advisory Services Practice Lead and focus on mergers and acquisitions. I help them go through life-changing events with their business, whether they're looking to buy or to sell. Anyone that does what I do understands that there's gonna be an education factor. Not everyone knows what goes into this, and I think the thing that's probably most satisfying in what I do is being able to educate them and actually walk them through how the transaction should look, how their process may differ from others, and explain why we're doing things and not just going in and doing the work. And part of what I enjoy also about the job is the moments where you're actually having the conversations, helping them evaluate their business, finding ways that they never thought about things and adding value to them operationally while also adding value, like true dollars to their pockets. So at the end of the day, I can go into most of my projects and say, because I helped on working capital, you saved X or you made X. And that's something that's very satisfying.